Honorable Emmanuel Obeng Ajiman ewa homa no so nano last year yedi nkomo ha and area ba kwa me kan ho asem say ho so no illegal mining or pa me bo Bepotenten ne nkura atwa ho ahia. But this incident report be na oye head of DISEC omo edi amano. Chief, good morning.
Good morning. Yeah.
Apombo ko de
Nyamada wane mo paibo. Ya boko ni incident ya boko.
Very unfortunate. Yes.
Very unfortunate.
But report Ben when you as in briefing Ben when you're from the security about this incident.
Oh, okay. Medical authority for na ma ina busiana umrishe fimu no. Ne memposi aso ne gana ma ina yako. Anything ni yepe no. Obabu kama obetimi ne or a lot of productive life ahead of him or contribute to the economy. Now, BBC, whatever they say, Ako, Aba, Waba, you may know. Now, my say, Omo war campus, you also will teach you Mabuno. In fact, intelligence and many say, Omo free a district, Omo free, central region, dominating across you know, about your territory. Omuna and keep it calm. Na you what we na ankoso. Na lessons I beat me. I learn from it. And I said, the thing being a free mono. Na ya heard my ever also be in studio no. It being a lessons on na boy. The good is yeah. Patrolling. In fact, when I clarify this issue, I tell me and see what Jacobu. This is no ya Manchester Central District Jacobu na ya capital. The moment I miss you or baby I feel how Bepotenten for German side or one I see.
Yeah.
One I ne Central region a bossy. Now police call no normal patrol. In fact, so that I may not be doing common illegal mining idea I battle all the time in the motor patrols for. And at the back on so illegal mining no be up by district in year. So the creation of arms. It should be to individuals a be money license and I keep our more. A part of crime might be more at the year bonnie, armed robbery near the United States. In the area police for to Sapa. In the more patrols no, a more number of who say young man be Ekuta 1% gun. And the more a confrontation interrogating the Honka Tower. When you meet arm fast at an arm, man, Omaka says, dear, the weapon no, I caught the police station. Into the cat and a bar, no other weapon. In the almost normal a term for a fire patrols or more banner. And on the moon say, you can be able to improve a crime and the great epicana. Please running to me from this Omudina. And this our video now, a year more you can even a try now. Please running deny. Now you for maybe put the time a bikuta in the anomaly 6 and now Omode attack home. This other video here. Now officer about first year to driver side no and no put one of my one in short. It will say you can be at try a car no can come more a 2 kilo. And I'm so more into me and two. But the other side now, officer no put any to any the almost season. Also, you can maybe the dear cry a bobon.
Yeah.
And I almost easy weapon. Them so almost start almost get to now and the other officer and my one in short view. On my one in short, you can be one white is that we are not even perceived.
Yes, from the video, but, yes, you are right. You are right.
Yes. But almost get to no. And I'm saying, no, we did, and then my did to no, by. We never say avoidable. So they make an investigations in me. Now, she will be a being a few more. In a few minutes, more details will come as and when the investigations are finished.
But I see idea per information when you know, and it's a nipa ba kuna ashrening kwa.
Okay.
And dodo say the try because ate baako say tuo no bi kan baako nan. Eno ne yate bi wo ho abia.
The report amenya yete yinu na etu eka omo enan.
Okay.
Adam say baako pe video na me.
Aye.
But yes, no police for no etu ka na fi ho. Na omo radio omo commander. Nti omo ya arrangement ama ambulance. Akoma Penifoni assemblyman the ambulance and omo de kofa amuno nka so mo du na nipa no afim but mienu aka na omo nan etu aka omo ne de omo hwe omo enhu nti omo de omo number nti to so Jacobu
nti as we speak yentimi nka say arrest bi akoso sesi ayeka say yentimi nka say arrest bi akoso
at the moment officially me nya briefing bi asa but omo go so omo investigations are omo first afọ ni na any omo video do ma omo attack police for no.
I see. Chief, what can say a hono area last time about her yes me no di nkomo ma ka say oh ye de obetimi bia say obetimi abre illegal mining in the area ho ase in fact me ankasa de about 2 years ago me hwe mu ho na che say nyasem kitu akora gidigidi ni ade waka say amanfo aye armed because obia pese also protect baby a ODD illegal but all protect honey ade. What has been the conscious effort pa assembly no ne aban mo di gu akwan mu wo ho said e be ya ebetimi abresa ne me yase wo ho
you conscious effort dem say in any service assist us with the national security for bar operations Jacobu police for Ankasa so court rounds e bi na mo ho ye no even in a lot of help from neighboring jurisdictions, you know, and the regional command, divisional command, the Munina collaborate with me ever boy the argument to Jacobu police, Emma, you 9 months for even sometimes months for quite for so breaking the back, the support it. In the idea, for the mechanic. Effort be was here 2 months here so but any easy so the money even him cry na 9 months soldier for come home some kaya and the NC district in si wo bo say area ho baby minus week official almost on general school come home nyame anya adumanka na no so so nyi cry ma no ho so be by soldier for no kwaya arrest or town be near there. The allegations of brutalization and all those things. And they can't wait now to battle the boys there. I buy a yet you reach me the last time in buy make a forest and the 18 try clear in Paduna, but so clear and then over cooperation. I debate now this year over connecting the force room into a continuous effort and not yet the air combat. I view the assignment issue first. Be a person of mining, no. Easier for you, so bit me aye. And you provide the alternative employment for the youth and so. And say some are launching confidence, say a youth no be area 40 farming more. Reclamation of the graded land. As part of the reclamation, no, the company be about mobile be a new factories our district in thousands of people. I mean, they combat it because opportunity can free legal mining one, and then into alternative employment and so on. But Kaya launch cooperative mining, and then I launch Minkaya mining out. This year, I'm paying for the helicopter battery. First, you know, a 3 months. Now you launch cooperative mining. You for no betting me a Kaya one boom. Again, it's 15, 20 near former cooperative. Now, a vinyl ball, no many alliances. I am mining no baby. And ha, against you and your forest. Now, environment, many affected cases are. Now, many alliances, and so I show almost me to and the insurance as there. Or move you on back at Kama. That program has also been launched. One of the ways they combat illegal mining so that they do mining legally. And they did several times that in that ye come mining. Name say a bay yen and my fine so, nine sustainable environment and then suffer. 19 months. And the rather inherit a banana environment just found out on bit me at private and yet. The so desire, we now and in my work for ma. They fight the young man now, more alternative livelihoods.
What have you see video now? Now, mom, why some of your commentary? No, about who can say, hey, where the umber mama baho? The umber mama baha. Yeah, no more. When we hear some of these things, the who is saying here, there's a moyo majuma bro be how man drink. We na bema say security for be ko na so kwa o mo kwa koyo majuma yi. Posifo ne bambofo a wadi kaka say ya o mo ko ho no koyo mo no ma patrol. O mo kokoye adwuma no ana say just patrol o mo ko say o mo ko hwe kwan so na bia mo attacking crowd robberies ni ade na o mo kwa monitor. Ana so o mo ko say o mo kwa hwe crowd mo ye adwuma o mo ye illegal mining na they also mo arrest you mo they all say o mo so no kwan be hu om don be fa so mo do ma fa so. Ana say they just go and patrol the area na aja o ma besia kom baby. You go tell them ranting India.
The old boss in Akoma police for you. Into Omoye Nina, but specific and we no mokoye and no team will call you, we no call you, meeting provide the CCR no say. But the old boss in Nina fighting illegal mining, providing security for the population. What do you call it? Normal patrols, intelligence gathering. Any of the only police officers are a bit more details. But the old boss in a Juma police for AD and security services no. In Jacobu AD. But specific as to any acquire winning for you, or more than
okay. But Oma call a make arrest illegal miners, Oma make arrest.
Oh yes, there happened. It happened in the over to me any police worker. One or more bit match or more records in the BBA or indicated a more year. Arrest of make you more focus and more result nothing.
I see. When some matters, in Yamani be why security some of them we have to be share. May I show say committee for baby who say we are CD and Amamon so no. Bema mo share mo be re-strategizing. Maybe a job who how mobile approach this matter and others are course within the area. But you can assure us say one of men no. Ene obi akabia no ebe ye adwuma said ebe ya asade ye hu bibio bi nsibio no kwa ni na mama me di kan kasa na me ka say investigations into investigations ni na for we whole lessons I bit me learning from this you hu the see na ye see bibio film say okay ene yenye say ebe ya nsibio. That is what I meant by we'll learn lessons from it and make sure it doesn't happen again. Me and then assembly for any security binding now, we remain committed to providing the necessary security for the country. Now safeguard the environment and so the amount for any arrangement. Say it was why it is a human. And then you need to say, "Oh, maybe the city more that." In the their hygiene but you're on top of the situation now. Be able to say now master say amount also in fact the needed respect and my security agencies also no more to but they only fired when they were assaulted. It shows some level of extreme professionalism. The media not bomb about so number catch one for the young man more respect. No one need you make no way in the air, no way their boy home. If you talk to my why you find a fossil the
address those situations.
Okay.
Yeah, you're down on 1 year or so. Visa, no video, and even no more you cry and you bring the video to 24. Then we do the initial investigation. Sanctions we are near the AMA. Then we correct. Now, we move forward as a peaceful, cohesive society.
Right.
Very aware that
Medase pa brepamu no police eguso e ni hwehwe mu die. Brepamu o se e ba na e ba ginchiremu bi e be sa ba ho.
Martin, medase.
Right, Tabusia, Dodo na friend Pedro, Ewo, a friend Honorable Emmanuel, Obenya German, DC, Amansia Central, and Obwaye to understand what happened, the almost so year, the Abwa, Ewo. In fact, area no dear Urawa, yes. Rahim.
Sir John.
Mami officially, I feel I'm in Moakwaba.